Bro, it's your boy Nelsy out here with another video. Still gun radars. If I was you, I wouldn't take that. Nah, bro, what the person that killed me, bro? I gotta get my licks back. I gotta get my licks back. Yeah. I'm gonna get my licks back. Definitely, like.
Here. Oh, I stuff a bat. This game is I'm using.
Bro, I was in the middle of a fight, bro. Oh, nah, it's that person. Bet. You up here? Bet. That's not.
Kill me, please kill me. Yes.
Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? Let me get my licks back. I told you I'm gonna get my licks back. Goddamn double D, man. Damn it.
Good job.
GG's, bro. Like, really, like.
Good shot.
Wow, that's us. Like, that's mad sus.
Triple kill. Oh my god.
Who's up now? Because I gave her own phone.
Kill. Oh my gosh.
Nerd. Well, time to get into battle.
Okay.
See.
Good shot.
Precisely, you're gonna die.
I got a high chance of dying. Yep, good job, good shots.
Nah, fam. Alright, bet. I'm gonna get my looks back. Bet. I'm gonna get my
The
get
other
back.
team is good.
Yo, bro. What's up? How's it been? How's it hanging, bro? Well, I guess you're not hanging in it.
True.
Y'all told.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Dang, good job.
Thank you.
Yo, what sign you got me? Oh, video. Yo, hold on. You up there?
Oh, got him.
Bro, yo, let's team up. Yo, the first time in the 10's battle with, let's team up.
We already are on team.
No, I'm not talking about.
Get my other gun.
I'm not talking about the person I was in a battle with. Like, that was you.
Me?
Kinda. Wee! Come on!
No team on there.
Yo, you right there, yo. Bro!
Yeah,
what
yeah.
the hell?
Go ahead, noisy boy. Tell him. Get him. Moody, that's his name.
Yeah, I know.
Die! Yeah, he dead!
I died.
Talking all that shit.
I'm still.
That's why you dead!
Help me.
Get out of here.
Yeah. Talk about what you mean, bro? I don't know what that you talking to. Like.
My whole team is
Nah, bro, where you going? Yo, what sound you gonna make? Mine make this sound. What sound you gonna make?
Yeah, boy.
Yo, you right there. Let's team up, bro. What sound you gonna make? Mine make this sound. Got you with that twice, like.
He's the same.
Yo, one hop to die.
Whoa. Yes,
Bang.
sir.
Bang, bang.
I got Moody. Hey.
Hey, one shot this time. Two shots this time. Boom, bam, bop, bada, bop, boom. Pow. Dip. Bro, look, I accidentally dropped my gun.
Behind you.
I'll get him.
Boom.
Thank you. Ah.
Bam.
Whoa. Okay.
Hold up.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Boom, bam, damn. Me
I
personally
killed
wouldn't
my
take that.
buddy. You should die.
Clap, bada, boom, pow. Bro, you're hacking.
Nobody's hacking.
Okay,
Yes,
and the creators don't know that. Well, technically they do, but still.
Hi.
Oh, bet. They really think I'm sweet. They think I'm sweet. Like,
Okay.
first of all, see now you gotta go. Sorry, it was meant to be like.
Moody.
Yo, what's up? What's on your government?
Hey.
Damn it! Damn, I was trying to hurry up and touch the ground, dude.
Yep.
Wait, what?
Try to touch the ground so like.
Does anybody know what Moody at? I'm gonna get him.
Touch you, I can't hear you.
Oh, you finna get? I'm for you. You say you finna what? You said you finna what? Yo, meet me at the top, bro. Meet me at the top. Meet me at the top. Say if you're gonna get me.
Oh, dude, that Moody just died.
Where you at?
Whoa.
Yo,
Who
one
that?
shot, dude.
That was me. What do you mean? If it don't, someone else. You guys just. Oh. Okay. Someone's right there. Someone's right there. Okay, who that is?
Damn it. I guess you can't block forever.
Yep.
Bro, imagine shooting, bro. Imagine being low, bro. Imagine not having any honor like that. Couldn't be me. Yeah, I ain't gonna let this dude kill me. What you think this is? Like, you have no honor though, bro. Face me head on. Like, I have no honor either, but that's different. I'm the ghost.
No, I ran out of energy.
Well, nah. I ain't going lightly on these fools anymore.
Go on, back up.
I ain't going lightly on these fools anymore. Yo, you right there. Bro, I am low key.
Yes.
Nah, I am sitting in my chair, bro. I'm over here killing people or shooting people, and I'm low key over here about to fall out my chair because I'm going back. Like, get out my face. This one don't get out my damn face.
Dude, he is. What did he say?
I said this one don't get out of my goddamn face. It's big and green. I forgot how to take them off. Wow, that shit's low. Wow, say one of them. Okay, I am blue team. Back. How do you take this one off? Okay, there we go. Zoom. Dang! Nah, oh, bet. I hate to kill, bro, nah. I really hate to kill people out of anger, but I'm getting my licks back. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, long time no see. Killed you backwards, bro. Bro, my head, bro.
Whoa, overshield my guy. Oh, well, he dead.
Bro, this how I'm killing people like low key. Yo, I swear I am a beast at this game. Why did I stop playing?
Okay.
I told you about stop playing, bro.
Or
Yes.
nah.
Well, my movement
Somebody
is
finna get it, bro.
good.
Yo, who trying to get popped, bro? Somebody finna get popped. Like, yo, what's up? Yeah, shoot your dead body. Shoot your dead body.
I top.
Can you teams kill in this game? Bring the fire on?
What did you do?
Is this annoying?
Not really.
Damn, I wish it was. Yo, bro, you jumping me with your homies now, bro? I'm a one-man army. Like, y'all know that? Like, I said I was gonna get my get back then, huh? Yeah, what else?
Yeah, I'm about to do it too. I'm about to get my.
Bet. Run them, bro. Run them hands, bro. Get back. Nah, bro. Come on. Come get your looks back, bro. Come get your.
Huh?
You say you gonna get what? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you back. I shot you first and still coming. Yeah, I'm gonna give you that. Like, but I'm still coming. You, bro. Yo, what you doing, bro? With that weak gun, bro. Get a stronger gun, bro. Get a stronger gun, bro. Like, what we learned? Next time use a stronger. Wow. Bet.
Yes. Oh my god.
Bet. Nah, bro. Where you at, fam?
You got to kill me. I had low health anyway.
Bro, I had low health all the other time. Bro, you just hold on, try to come on. Right quick, bro. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I see you every night.
Crazy? Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, that teammate is scared. Okay.
And you dead. Wow, old man.
Hey.
Is there a way I can mute you guys or something? Yeah, you can like mute all players in your audio settings.
Knew it. See?
Or you can individually mute the annoying ones.
Kind of entertaining.
Nah, fam.
Mute the
Come back.
squeakers.
Alright.
Yeah, you just hit the left button on your control.
Anyway, that's enough.
The roster who's in here.
Anyway, that's enough for today. My name is Nalziar, and I hope everybody has a nice day. I'm out. Nalziar.